So when we were there in the OT, and Apoor was also there inside with me, and when everything started, and suddenly I heard Radhika crying, and I'm not a person who cries, like I don't cry, and I couldn't stop my tears, and I did not know that what was happening to me. It was so overwhelming to hear her. I couldn't see her at that moment because there was a curtain that they had put, and then within seconds Apoor kind of just grabbed her, and then they cleaned her up, and then they were stitching me up, and still, and then I had Radhika with me.
The moment I stepped in, there was a child crying. So I thought maybe some child is crying. The doctor said, "This is your child," then she is crying. So I was like, okay. So I saw Radhika, she was all pink, and they were cleaning her up. So it was fantastic to see my own child. I mean, you feel as if your own version is over there.
The sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came. The sky fell on me, and I decided you look well on me. So let's go somewhere no one else can see you and me. Turn the lights out now I'll take you by the hand you another drink. Drink it if you can you spend a little time? Time is slipping away from us, so stay with me. I can make you glad you came. The sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came, I'm glad you came. The sky fell on me, and I decided you look well on me. So let's go somewhere no one else can see you and me. Turn the lights out now, I'll take you by the hand you another drink. So drink it if you can we spend a little time? Time is slipping away from us, so stay with me. I can make you glad you came. The sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came, I'm glad you came.
So when we were in Dubai and I was pregnant, so there was an option of getting the ultrasound done and to know that whether it's a girl child or a boy child. And both of us desperately wanted a girl child. We didn't want a boy child. Both of us were like, oh my god, what will you do if I have a boy child? So when a day before, when we had to go for the scan, I had to literally make up Apoor's mind that if it turns out to be a boy, it's okay. We'll have to be okay with it, okay? And he's like, oh my god, what are we going to do? It's a boy. So finally when we went there and the scan happened, the doctor was like, you know what? It is what it is. And we guys are so thrilled and we're jumping with joy over there.
जैसे मेरी बेटी का बचपन मेरे सामने आ गया हो, बिल्कुल वही फीलिंग्स आती हैं। बहुत सी उसकी यादें मेरी ताज़ा हो जाती हैं। लगता है कि फिर से उसका बचपन लौट आया है।
ये पैदा हुई तब मैं वहाँ नहीं थी दुबई में,
लेकिन आप बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, मेरे बेटे ने वीडियो भेजा ओटी से एंड आई रियली जम्प्ड अप। मैं हॉस्पिटल में बैठी थी, मैं कूद पड़ी कुर्सी से कि ये क्या हुआ। और देयर वर सो मेनी पीपल विद मी, मेरे स्टाफ के, वो लोग मुझे इतना ज़्यादा बधाई देने लगे। वो फीलिंग्स में वर्ड्स में आपको बता ही नहीं सकती हूँ कि मैं क्या फील कर रही थी।
जब से वो पैदा हुई, जिस क्षण से इस दुनिया में आई, उसी क्षण से हम लोग वी वर द फर्स्ट टू बी देयर। और कुछ ऐसा स्पेशल रहा कि उससे हमारी बॉन्डिंग बहुत ही स्पेशल रही।
नाना के साथ तो स्पेशल बॉन्डिंग है, बहुत खुश रहती है। उनकी तो एक आवाज़ पे बोलती है, हंसती है।
राधिका को देखते ही, जिसका नाम इन लोगों ने राधिका रखा है, मेरे मुंह से स्पॉन्टेनियस नाम निकलता है छटंकी, और उसको मैं छटंकी कहता हूँ।
She is a very cheerful kid. Even at that time when she was in the incubator, she was smiling. So it was quite fun to watch her.
She's really brought good luck to everybody in the family. Like everybody started getting promotions and everybody was happier. The things were more in place for us. So it was a beautiful feeling to, you know, have.
She likes to move around and she likes to go to new places. Very curious and inquisitive about everything. So that's one very important thing about her personality that stands out from day one.
She really enjoys going out. So the days when we don't go out and we think that, you know, no, let's stay at home and rest. So that's the time she cries and makes us go out.
हम लोग रोज इससे स्काइप पर चैट करते हैं, रोज करते हैं इससे स्काइप पर चैट। And most of the time she is standing and talking to us. It's so wonderful.
लैपटॉप पे बात करते थे हम और ये, तो हम इनसे कहा करते थे कि वी आर जस्ट लाइक टॉम एंड जेरी टू हिम।
उम्मीद वाली धूप, सनशाइन वाली आशा, उम्मीद वाली धूप, सनशाइन वाली आशा, रोने की वजह कम है, हंसने के बहाने ज़्यादा, अब हम मुस्कुराएंगे, खुश रहने का है वादा, उम्मीद वाली धूप, सनशाइन वाली आशा। तुम दिल से अगर पूछोगे तो खुश रहना ही चाहे, तो सच्चे मन से मांगो तो खुल जाती है राहें, तो खुल के खुशी लुटाओ, ये क्या है आधा आधा। उम्मीद वाली धूप, सनशाइन वाली आशा, उम्मीद वाली धूप, सनशाइन वाली आशा। थैंक यू। क्या बोलूंगी? अभी अभी किसी दिन नाश्ता हुई है। नहीं ठीक नहीं है। कृष्णा, आ जाइए। कृष्णा, अरे नहीं। कृष्णा, ये कृष्णा, अरे नहीं, खड़े रहना, दूसरे को हो ना बोलो, शिद्दत से। कृष्णा, आउच, आपको हाथ जोड़ना था। इधर इधर, आपने पार्टी चेंज हो गई। कृष्णा, 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 आपको अपने पता वाले नहीं करना। कृष्णा, इधर। कृष्णा, 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 मेरा भी हाथ जोड़ो। कृष्णा, कृष्णा, आउट। इतनी देर ऐसा तो कैसे होगा? Let's see who is going to be the winner. कृष्णा, कृष्णा, कृष्णा,
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पाले, चल ऐसा रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले।
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे, इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं, इस मांग में भर दूं तारे।
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई, येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई।
हेलो हेलो तू मुझ है घूमने लगाई, येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई।
तेरा मुझे बड़ा तो इस बार में हमारे पास 4 स्टेशनरी सब्सक्राइब हैप्पी ओके यूएस एक्सप्रेस का मैं नाम सुन चुका हूं, अपनी जगह में कितना हाइट है। Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Radhika. Happy birthday to you. Hey Radhika, happy birthday. Loads of love, loads of best wishes. May you achieve everything you desire. Mwah!
Hey Radhika, we love you a lot, we miss you, and a very very happy birthday. And I remember when I saw you for the first time, that was the most emotional moment for me ever. So we really miss you, a very happy birthday and enjoy, and we really miss you.
Yay! Happy birthday! Bye! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear मेरे घर आई नन्ही परी, चांद सितारों से जाने मुझको करना, झूले उसमें मेरी प्यारी राधिका, मेरे घर आई के नन्ही परी हो, मेरे घर आई नन्ही परी, मेरे घर आई। बार बार दिल ये आए, बार बार दिल ये आए, बार बार दिल ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जियो हजारों साल में मेरी है आरज़ू। Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to Radhika, happy birthday to you. बधाई हो बधाई जन्मदिन की तुम, जन्मदिन तुम्हारा मिलेंगे लड्डू हमको, जन्मदिन तुम्हारा मिलेंगे लड्डू हमको, बधाई हो बधाई जन्मदिन की तुम, जरा मन लगा के तू मेहनत से पढ़ना पढ़ाई, आगे भी चलना। अच्छा जी बताओ मैंने ऐसा क्यों कहा, जो तुम पास होगे मिलेंगे लड्डू हमको, जो तुम पास होगे मिलेंगे लड्डू हमको, बधाई हो बधाई जन्मदिन की आज केक स्मैश करेंगे। बड़ा मिला
दुआ है कि कामयाबी के हर शिखर पे राधिका तेरा नाम हो, तुम्हारे हर कदम पे दुनिया का सलाम होगा, हिम्मत से मुश्किलों का सामना करना, दुआ है हमारी कि वक्त भी एक दिन तेरा गुलाम होगा, वक्त भी एक दिन तेरा गुलाम होगा।
हम तो ये विश करते हैं कि ये खूब हेल्दी हो, खूब मन लगा के पढ़ाई करे। हैप्पी बर्थडे तो राधिका, छटंकी माई छटंकी।
मैंने बहुत कहानियाँ सुनी थी कि कैसे दादी नानी बनते हैं तो अच्छा लगता है, और लेकिन आज जब मेरी राधिका हमारे जीवन में आई है, ऐसा एहसास हुआ कि आज हमारा एक्चुअल प्रमोशन हुआ है और ज़िंदगी में एक्चुअली हम दूसरे स्टेप पे चले गए हैं। फर्स्ट स्टेप था मेरी मैरिज, फिर मदर बनना एंड देन दादी बनना। तो राधिका ने हमारे लिए तो एक प्रमोशन कर दिया है।
तुम बेटा खूब शक्तिमान बनो, खूब फलो फूलो, स्वस्थ रहो, दीर्घायु हो, संस्कारी बनो, खूब पढ़ो लिखो, अपने माता पिता का नाम इस संसार में वो अपने परिवार का नाम रोशन करो। जन्मदिन आया आया, ममता की ज्योति जागी, जन्मदिन आया आया, ममता की ज्योति जागी, हंसती रहे सदा यूं ही मेरे चांद तारों शीशा हजारी।
Happy birthday, little Radzu.
So Radhika, we are making this video after your first birthday party. We had a great time, and thanks to you, everybody enjoyed a lot. And we are very happy to see you excited to get your photos taken, and we really loved your pictures today when they were clicked in Ambedkar Park. And all your grandparents are also very happy to see you. And we wish that you will always remain like this, and remember whatever we are doing for you. So and yes, you have a very special place with us. You are a regular coffee partner. You are the reason why I come back home from office early. And yes, now there is definitely, apart from Kriti, one more reason to live. So I think this should be enough for first birthday, because we have to keep monitoring your progress in the next ones to come. So we will add more to it as time progresses. Over to your mom.
So Radhika, it's an amazing feeling to be a mom of a little girl who doesn't really behave like a little girl. She is like a fabulous partner when it comes to going for our coffee breaks. And we tell you, even now we go for all our coffee breaks daily, and we take you along, and you enjoy your little sips of charge or milk, and let us enjoy coffee every day. You're an amazing person to plan trips, and because of you being such a sport, we have actually planned our vacation, and that too a road trip to Europe for your first birthday. And I really hope that you enjoy as much as you have enjoyed your birthday today. And everybody
Sorry
was
for
really
the Air India Express flight between now to Dubai.
and everybody was so thrilled to see you, the way you were reacting, the way you were clapping, you were dancing to the songs, and it was really an amazing feeling to see you enjoy your first birthday like this, because what we've heard is it's terrible for a child, but the way you enjoyed it really made it all worth for us. You make our life worthwhile, and all I wish for you is that no matter what you become in your life, no matter what you choose to be in your life, we are always there for you, and we'll always love you unconditionally. And the only wish would be that you be happy in whatever you do, wherever you are, whoever you are with, but just be happy in life and be content in life with what you have. Bye bye, we love you.
Bye Radzu.
Bye.